In this video, we learn how to troubleshoot active link guides, and then share a best practice when working with custom workflows in progressive web applications. Consider the example of an active link that displays a custom message when we open the application. If you view the active link logs, you can see the start of the active link. You can also view the contents of the custom message that was displayed. During customizations, if the active link guide is deleted by mistake, the custom message is not displayed. If you check the active link log, you can see that the active link guide was not available. In this way, by looking at the active link logs, you can diagnose that the active link guide has an issue. When building or changing custom workflows, you must validate them before implementing them. For more detailed documentation, see docs.bmc.com.